Hey there, friends, got a Bluey reaction for you. Ah, Calypso's place. Oh, typewriters.
There once was an old dog
Snickers!
who had sat on a chest by the side of the road for all his life, begging for treats.
Oh, boy, Snickers! Oh, he fell over. Oh my goodness, I love that long wiener dog so much. No, he just fell over. So cute. But also typewriters. They are so cool. Can we bring them back, please? I love the way they go ding 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 ding. They make such nice sounds.
Up you get, Snickers. One day, a gnome came by and said to the
Up
old
you
dog,
go.
"Have you tried opening that chest you sit on to see what's inside?" "Oh no, of course not. There's nothing inside. It is empty."
That's what I tell everybody, because I'm on a chest right now, but nobody's telling me to open the chest below me. Mostly because you cannot see the chest below me. But there is a chest below me, and it contains something. I never opened it.
Can I sit next to you?
Winton!
But the gnome insisted that
What
the
was
old
that?
dog open the chest. And when he did, he discovered that it was full of treats.
Ooh, there were buttons in there. I love eating buttons, but I wonder why Coco was like, to Winton, though. Come on, Winton's a good boy.
That doesn't make any sense.
Snickers.
This episode of Bluey is called Typewriter. Why didn't the old dog look in the chest sooner? I'm not sure. Well, I'm going to write a story.
Oh my
where he
goodness.
opened the chest straight away and eats all the treats.
Oh wait, where'd the typewriter go?
Where'd the typewriter go? I don't know. I'll go ask Calypso.
Man, can a kid move that though? Because typewriters are heavy. They are super heavy. But I wonder if this is gonna be like another, that purple underwear story, the Bumpy and the old wolfhound kind of story thing. Or are we gonna get another story time episode?
I can't be a story writer without a real typewriter.
I can't be a real tuna without my real fish. That doesn't make any sense.
Going to sit except me.
But you're a sausage dog. It's gonna take you longer.
Why?
Because you're longer.
Aw, I hate being a sausage dog.
Do not say that. Do not say that. You are an adorable sausage dog, and I'm glad you're a part of this show because you are adorable. If I could just pick him up and be like, blah, 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 just be like, shake him around, which just wiggles around like a sausage. No, but the thing is, it's great to know that different dogs have different ways of learning, especially since sausage dogs have to learn how to sit differently because they are very, I'm pretty sure he is very top heavy. So when he sits down, he has to balance that long body. Because you know how you sit down and your legs support you? For Snickers, he has the very stubby legs.
Why don't you come
He's
with
so
me to see
cute.
Calypso? Maybe she can help you too.
Okay, thanks, Bluey.
Oh, wait a second.
Hey, Winton, what's wrong?
Winton!
Everyone keeps running away from me. Oh, no, they don't. They do. Winton, well, why don't you come and see Calypso with us?
Wait, why is everybody... Is it because Winton's getting too close or something? Is he getting way too, is it about, boundaries or something? Is he getting too close in their personal space? Also, I'm just realizing, is this becoming a Wizard of Oz situation? Where everybody's going to see the wizard, Calypso, for the typewriter to learn how to sit and wonder why everybody's running away from Winton.
Maybe she can help. Okay, let's
No.
go. I'll follow you.
Does he stink or something? Is there an issue with Winton? Oh, never mind.
Oh no, the English are approaching.
The English!
Ready, ready, hold, and fire.
I love the terriers. This is literally becoming a Wizard of Oz situation. We're off to see Calypso, the wonderful Calypso at school.
And fire.
Hey, we're shooting bows and arrows at you.
Not real ones.
Ah!
Pretend
They're hurting
We're
me!
not playing your game. We're
Oh.
going to see Calypso. I'm looking for the real typewriter.
Oh.
Please, can you pretend the pretend wheel? Oh, okay.
At least play along with them. They're really shooting bows and arrows over here going, wing, But the thing is, if you're shooting bows and arrows, you're shooting the bows too. You don't want to do that. You want to just shoot arrows.
Arrows, get down!
Now that's fun.
How are we gonna get past them? Snickers, you sneak around them.
Winston keeps getting pushed back.
And wait at the top of the hill to do you know what?
Oh yeah, okay.
Wait, you know what? Oh, look at him run!
Trying to outflank us.
Wow, the terriers are really good with their terminology. They are really good with that. I mean, they have been playing knights, archers, anything that these three terriers can do as a group, they do it very well. But the way Snickers is just running across the field, I freaking love that.
I'm going into those skinny trees.
Oh, why do you get to go into the skinny trees?
Because you got to sit in the boot seat this morning. Even though it
Oh.
was my turn. Because I said boot seat at breakfast before you.
Oh. Does boot seat mean like shotgun? So like, you know, the front of the neck, you know, next to the driver. Basically, instead of calling shotgun, you just yell out boot seat. That's actually really cute right there. I'm learning. I'm really learning here. Boing, boing, boing,
I'm
boing.
coming.
Whoa. Whoa.
What was that?
Look at Snickers without his hat. He's got the big ears. Oh, he's so cute. He just fits in with the bamboo so well, though. He's using his long sausage body as an advantage. I'm pretty sure along the way they're going to learn, oh, we don't need Calypso's help. We learned about ourselves through these games.
Why aren't they attacking us? I don't know. Well, I'm going to scout.
Well, you guys are
Why
being
were you
separated.
to scout? Because you got to sit closest to the tap last night. Even though I said close tap first on the
To
way
the
back
tap.
from Jiu-Jitsu. Oh, alright. Let's go in.
Okay, I can say that boot seat is shotgun. Is close tap another word for shotgun, I guess? Or is this something else? Do let me know in the comments. Learning about them learning, but I feel like I may have mistaken. I don't know.
One's coming. What do we do? I
Winton,
know.
do
Wait
your
up.
thing.
Ask him a question and then he'll run away. Okay.
Wait, what?
Wait, what question? Any question. It doesn't matter. Ask him if he's gluten-free. Alright then. Wait.
Gluten-free. They'll get so confused by the word gluten-free that they'll run away and explode.
Why will he run away if I ask him if he's gluten-free? Because you're a space invader.
Oh, what, is he?
Wait, what's a space invader? It's someone who stands too close.
Oh, I called it, didn't I? It is about boundaries. It is about personal space, and Winton just gets close to personal space. But also, Space Invader also means the video game Space Invaders, but literally means the same thing. It's about these invaders who try to get into your space, and you gotta shoot them away.
Most people stay about this far apart, but you don't. You get right up close. 'Cause I'm a space invader? Yeah. Oh, is that why people keep on running away from it? Yeah, probably. Try it. Please. Are you gluten-free?
Oh.
Winton, that's so close. Just tell me, are you gluten-free? Ah!
It worked out in the end. Are you gluten-free? But yeah, so I pretty much called it. Winton does get close up into people's personal spaces. There are kids who do that and don't understand what they're doing. I get kids are doing this to be friendly, but boundaries need to be learned. And I'm pretty sure that Winton hasn't learned about boundaries until now when he's been called a space invader. Makes a lot of sense right there. But yeah, Winton just learned of the issue. Snickers is being a skinny sausage dog, and everybody's learning on the way to Calypso. Now, where's that typewriter?
You're right, Bluey. Come on.
Where are you?
Ooh.
Hey. Archers, ready. Pling, pling, pling.
Archers? There's only one archer.
We'll use a shield, but I don't have a shield.
You have a shield. You got Winton. Pick up Winton. Winton is now your new shield.
Use this one. Oh, thanks. Hang on.
Oh?
Huh?
Oh.
Hey, I'm shooting bows and arrows at you. Yeah, and I'm badoinging them with
The
my shield.
badoing.
Badoing.
Now that's parrying right there. Dude, they were under the bridge like a bunch of gnomes. But yeah, literally, Bluey has learned how to parry arrows. I think Bluey will be great at video games, basically. There are a lot of video games where you have to parry arrows and whatnot. You literally have to badoing the weapons away with your shield, you know? It just works.
Yeah!
Where's Snickers, though? Now, oh, wait. Oh! Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Such a good boy! Such a good boy he is indeed. Snickers did a great job being a barrel, literally Donkey Konging all of them right there. That was amazing. But yeah, as a sausage dog, he beat the perfect roller. He's rolling down that hill perfectly with no issue. So yeah, Winton understands about the boundaries, being a space invader. Snickers now loves being a sausage dog, realizing, yeah, there's a lot of advantages being a sausage dog. Plus, they're so cute.
Hey, Winton, look! I'm a space invader!
Winton, my boy!
Let's play that again!
Nice, it all worked out.
Hello, Bluey. How can I help you?
I can't find the real typewriter.
Oh, are you being a story writer?
Yes.
Well, it's around here somewhere.
Oh, it's like the story. But also, it's one of many jobs that Bluey wants to do, being a bin person, or an astronaut, or a scientist, and now a story writer. Bluey's list of future goals keeps on growing, you know? But Bluey as a story writer? I feel like that'd be a possible future for her, you know? That with all the games she plays with her friends, could turn out to be stories. Plus, there was that Wolfhound story with the purple underwear, and the whole princess and the horse story that they did that she did as well.
Oh, hey, how did you get past the terriers?
I used the shield. See? Ting ting.
Ting ting. That's a nice shield, all right.
Thanks.
Okay, typewriter.
Calypso, you're great.
Oh, what if I asked you to show me a typewriter?
Oh.
Tick, 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 ting.
That's a lovely typewriter, isn't it?
Okay, I gotta say, Calypso is a great teacher. I know I mentioned it before, but she is a wonderful teacher. Just playing along with the kids and being like, oh, she also had to get through the terriers, but also, her voice is so nice. I love her voice. It really just captures that she is clearly a teacher, a role model for her students, and she does it in such a calming and wonderful voice. I just love it when she talks.
Yeah, it is. Thanks, Calypso. I'm going to write my story now.
Oh. You mean it's been there the entire time? You mean that she just did all of that to let kids play with their imagination? You don't need a real typewriter. You can do it in your, you know what a typewriter does. Make your story. So I take it the whole episode is mostly about learning about your true self, and also going with the imagination. Let your imagination take you free. And also, yeah, basically it's the Wizard of Oz, where Calypso is the wizard, and in the end, Bluey just had it in her the entire time. She had the typewriter with her the entire time. Winton learned about personal space and boundaries, which is a very good thing to learn, and Snickers learned to love his body. That's the thing, because, you know, there are people out there who are not a fan of their bodies, and they're like, oh, I don't like who I am. But then, it's your body, You take care of it the way you want. Love your body, because how is your body gonna work with you if you don't love it? If you hate your body, then it's not gonna go well. Snickers in the end learned that his body is great for rolling and hiding in the bamboo forest, which is really neat. That was a really neat, like, thing right there, where Snickers was camouflaging with that bamboo to get away from the terrier. And then literally becoming a barrel. I love it. This was such a great episode. With very important life lessons too. These were very good life lessons. And Calypso being a great teacher as always, great job. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. Don't forget to leave a like if you haven't, subscribe if you haven't, and comment about what you think below. Until then, I'll catch you next time.